आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we have three parts. Name the protozoan parasite that causes amoebic dysentery in humans. Mention two diagnostic symptoms of the disease and how is this disease transmitted to others. So to understand this question, we need to understand what amoebic dysentery really is, because all the questions revolve around amoebic dysentery. So what does dysentery mean? Dysentery means an infection in the intestines that causes bloody stools. So infection of intestines that causes blood in stools, right? And this is caused by some amoeba, protozoan amoeba. So what is the amoeba that causes amoebic dysentery? It is called entamoeba histolytica. What is it? Entamoeba histolytica that causes protozoan, that is the protozoan parasite that causes amoebic dysentery. Now coming on to the second question, B part. Mention two diagnostic symptoms of this disease. So now this disease has a lot of symptoms like fever, nausea, stomach ache, but all of these symptoms are very common. It can happen in other diseases as well. This question is asking us to mention the diagnostic features, the diagnostic symptoms. So what are the symptoms that helps us diagnose this disease, that helps us make sure that this is the disease, that amoebic dysentery is the disease that we are talking about. So number one is, there are two symptoms, right? Number one is blood in stools, which can also cause inflammation of intestines. Because where is the blood coming from? It is coming from the intestines. And second could be abscess in liver, or simply liver abscess. Because this, sometimes entamoeba histolytica, it travels from the intestine towards the liver and it causes an abscess. What is abscess? Abscess is the accumulation of pus. And not only just there, it can travel to another systems as well, like the brain, the lungs, so it can spread. Okay, so and because of this inflammation of intestine, it can also sometimes cause perforations. But in this question, we will only mention inflammation of intestines causing blood in stools and abscess in the liver. These are the two diagnostic symptoms. Other diagnosis can be done by lab diagnosis and stool examination, but they are asking diagnostic symptoms. So these are the diagnostic symptoms. Now number three, how is this disease transmitted to others? So we need to understand that this entamoeba histolytica is present in the stools. So it transmitted through feco-oral route. It is transmitted to feco-oral route. What is feco-oral route? Feco-oral route is from the feces to the mouth. So for example, sometimes people, they do not cut their nails and then they will cook something, and these amoebas, these parasites, from the time they wash themselves, they will carry it in their nails and they will add it to the food. So the people who will eat the food will get this disease. So it is transmitted through food, contaminated food and contaminated water. So this is the answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।